Welcome, today I'm with iPhone 13 mini and also with iPhone 13, and I will show you the comparison between these two speakers. We are going to check which one is louder. So I'm going to play the same song on the same quality at the YouTube, and we are going to check which one is louder, and I'm going to measure with this decibelometer, and I'm going to set it up on the maximum volume level right now. So let me just turn it on. Okay, it's set up to the maximum volume level, and it means that right now this value right here will only change when the device registers the higher volume level than the previous one. At the first we can start, for example, from iPhone 13. So let's start, and of course I'm going to play it on at the highest volume level. Okay, so we are going around 1 minute, and as you can see, the iPhone 13 reached 110.1 decibels. Right now, let's make the same with iPhone 13 mini. So let me reset. Let's turn it on back, maximum volume mode, and let's turn it on right now. Okay, so as you can see, the iPhone 13 is a little bit louder than the iPhone 13 mini, but honestly, it will be it's such a small difference. It will be really hard to hear in a real life. You can only spot it by looking on this kind of decibelometer. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.